Want to create professional-looking videos without complicated editing software? VEED lets you build videos from your own footage, images, audio, templates, recordings, or even AI-generated content, all from your browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create videos with VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into VEED and open your dashboard. Click Edit Video to create a blank project, or start with a template, a script, a prompt, or a recording if that better fits your video. For this tutorial, we'll start with a simple project and build the video from the editor. Next, add the content you want to use. You can upload videos, images, audio, or music from your computer, or record new content directly through VEED. Drag and drop your files into the editor, then arrange them on the timeline in the order you want. Now start editing your video. Trim unwanted sections, split clips, adjust the layout, and arrange your scenes until the story flows naturally. This is also where you can add text, images, filters, effects, transitions, and other visual elements to make the video more engaging. Finally, watch the entire video from beginning to end and check your timing, captions, visuals, and audio. When everything looks good, click Done or Export to create the finished video. So your video is now ready to download, share, or publish, and that's how to create videos with VEED. Start a project, add your media, edit and arrange your scenes, add captions and branding, use AI tools when needed, and export the finished video. Once you're comfortable with the basic workflow, you can experiment with templates, screen recordings, AI generation, and more advanced editing features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.